Hello mga kids, ito yung lahat ng kinain namin sa isang sikat na pizza place sa San Juan City, Metro Manila. Sumikat sila noon pandemic at ito meron na silang sariling restaurant sa V Cruz, Abad Santos. Itong building na ito may parking sa harap, ang Gianeto Pizzeria sa may Little Baguio, San Juan City. Nakakatuwa kasi lumaki na yung business nila into a real restaurant at nagsiserve sila ng iba't ibang klaseng Italian dishes. Siyempre, may pizza sila na legit at masarap lalo na with honey and chili oil. Yung salad naman nila ang daming laman at very refreshing. Perfect for the kids is chicken and fries. Ipa-separate nyo lang yung barbecue sauce at perfect na ito mga kids with the curly fries. Napolitan pasta naman, sweet and very kid-friendly. Ang dami pang sausage, perfectly cooked yung pasta. Halibut and lime at yung kanilang pesto con gamberi, masasarap din yan. Pero ang pinaka-star dito talaga is yung rib eye steak. Until next time mga ka-eats, bye-bye!